Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to present you how to configure a WT site. So when entering the WT product, all the sites that have been created are displayed on the list on the left and on the map on the right. More information are available for each site, such as the owner and the creation date and how it is composed, and all the simulations that have been launched. For each site, it is possible to duplicate the site with or without the results, to open it with this button or directly with this button on the map, to delete the site depending on the user right, to export the site with or without the result, and also to focus on the site's location and to transfer to another user. As well, it is possible to import new sites and to create a new site. To create a new site, click on this Create a Site button and fill the name of site and a description. It's not mandatory. When the site is created, it is open. It is still possible to modify the name and the description. So first, choose a projection so that the map can be displayed at the correct projection. So either by entering the EPSG or any other information, for example, here. So the map is displayed. Then enter the location, so the radius first, and then the coordinates. Latitude and longitude. Also possible to draw it on the map, like this, by drag and dropping. So when the site is created, so this is the site, the plain dark, and this is the outer site, which is used for the upwind data that will be used for CFD. So then enter the orography by clicking on the plus button and selecting an orography data among the ones available in the database. Then create orography. Same for the roughness, create new roughness and select in the database. It is important to check the footprint of the geographical data. So the outer circle must be contained in the data. Otherwise, the CFD computation cannot be computed. Check both the orography and the roughness. Then it is possible to display the geographical data. And so here it is displayed at the map, the legend, and same for the roughness. Also, it is possible to display in 3D. It takes a little bit of time to compute as well. And both data can be visualized. So now the configuration of the site is done. For more information, check out the Meteodyn WT microscale user manual, where all the information are available and detailed. Thank you for your attention.